Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for trusted reviews on the latest and most reliable products. In today's episode, we're diving into what we believe is the best digital forehead ear thermometer instant, the no-touch forehead thermometer by Hetaida. Let's get started with the first impression. Right out of the box, this digital thermometer comes with a sleek and ergonomic design. It's compact, lightweight at just 90 grams, and fits comfortably in the hand. The outer shell is made of smooth plastic, with a vibrant purple finish that gives it a modern, friendly look, especially useful when dealing with young kids or elderly patients. Now, onto its biggest selling point, the non-contact technology. Thanks to advanced infrared sensors, this thermometer allows you to take accurate temperature readings without ever needing to touch the skin. Simply hold the device 2 to 3.15 inches away from the forehead, press the trigger, and within just 1 second, the reading appears. This feature drastically reduces the risk of cross-contamination, making it perfect for families, schools, clinics, or any multi-user environment. Speaking of accuracy, this thermometer doesn't disappoint. The readings are highly reliable with a margin of error as low as 0.2 degrees Celsius. Whether you're dealing with a fussy baby or a half-asleep adult, you'll get precise results in a flash. No second guessing, no delay. What sets this model apart even further is its intelligent LCD display. Depending on the temperature reading, the backlight changes color: green for normal, orange for a slight fever, and red for high fever. It also beeps if an abnormal temperature is detected, giving an audible alert when attention is needed. If you're taking measurements at night or in a dim room, this backlit screen is incredibly helpful and easy to read. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a thermometer for body temperature. With the flip of a switch, you can shift into surface mode, allowing you to measure the temperature of objects, liquids, and even rooms. Whether you want to test baby formula, bath water, or room ambiance, this device does it all, truly a two-in-one solution for busy households. The thermometer is also user-friendly when it comes to switching units. Fahrenheit or Celsius, your choice, just one button away. And when you're done using it, the device automatically shuts off to save battery life. Speaking of batteries, it comes with 2 AAA batteries included, so it's ready to go right out of the box. Included in the package are the thermometer itself, the batteries, and a clear instruction manual. And if you ever run into trouble, you're covered by a 12-month replacement or refund policy, along with 24/7 customer support. In summary, the Hetaida no-touch forehead thermometer is a fast, accurate, and multifunctional device that offers peace of mind for families, caregivers, and professionals. Its no-contact measurement, instant results, visual and audio alerts, and ability to read both body and surface temperatures make it stand out in the crowded digital thermometer market. If you're looking for an affordable, dependable, and easy-to-use thermometer, this one checks all the boxes. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another product critique. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.